Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the retired stamp set Quirky Critters, and we are going to be making this cute little card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our Big Shot. And we're going to do our cutting first and then our embossing. And I have a piece of Sierra Sand and a piece of Soft Sky. And Soft Sky is going away, guys, so make sure you get it while you can. Run that through. Alright, and I have my Scattered Sequence embossing folder and a piece of Berry Burst, and that measures 4 by 5 1/4. And this is a dynamic embossing folder, so you only need the top. Your top plate. Okay, so we're going to take our piece of Sahara Sand, and I got my chocolate chip, and chocolate chip is going away. I'm going to ink that up. And I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to wipe off the sentiment. And I'm just wiping that off with a baby wipe, guys. Alright, so I'm going to put him down. Just like that. And then I have made a little mask for him. And I'm going to clean him up. And I have my Berry Burst Marvelous marker. And I'm just going to color in the sentiment in Berry Burst. I absolutely love sloths. When I saw this one, I knew I had to get it. Alright, so hopefully this comes out. Alright. We'll start putting this card together. My card base is Soft Sky, and it's measured at 8.5 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. And then I have my Berry Burst that we just embossed. And I have a piece of this Soft Sky Classic Weave ribbon. And I think I'm going to cut 2 pieces. And I'm going to bring in my Scotch tape. And I'm going to cross it over. Just like that. And I'm going to put this down with some snail. And now I have my pool party scallop that we did. I'm going to get my Sahara sand little slob. Put that down. And I had some Stampin' Dimensionals around here. All right, so we will put the backs on. And put him down just like that. And then I have these sequins. And I'm just going to dress it up just a little bit. Just like that. All right, so there is a quick and simple card for when you're in a pinch and you've forgotten somebody's birthday. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Remember, if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!